some mini pretzels, and I'm just gonna go ahead and crush these right on top of my rice chex cereal. Now that we have our pretzels on there, I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 cup of melted Hershey's chocolate chips, and we are gonna go ahead and drizzle this right on top of our chex cereal and our pretzels. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And this is where you can kind of customize it. You could use a dark chocolate, a white chocolate, whatever kind of chocolate, even a peppermint chocolate, because 'tis the season. But this is the classic way that I used to do it all the time. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and grab our spatula and get all of that chocolate. It doesn't need to be perfectly drizzled because we are gonna mix it into our dessert. Beautiful, 1 cup of melted chocolate. Now we are gonna top this off with a 1/2 cup of melted peanut butter. And I'm just gonna eyeball this. Now, if you put too much, it's gonna be too liquidy and it won't set as nicely. That looks like 1/2 cup to me. Beautiful. Now we're gonna come back with our spatula and we are going to mix all of these components together to make a delicious treat. And then we have one quick step and this is ready to enjoy. All right, this is all nice and mixed. We're gonna go ahead and bring in a large bowl and we're gonna transfer all of this goodness right into our bowl. We want a nice clean bowl and you will see why. Our bowl, beautiful. Okay, we'll just do a little at a time so we don't overfill our bowl. Now, you'll probably be able to tell what we're making if you made this before, but we are grabbing some powdered sugar and we're gonna add about 1 to 2 cups depending on how much you're able to get into your bowl. If you're able to get the full amount, you can do 2 cups. If you're only able to get half, you'll do 1 cup. And we're gonna go ahead and grab our mixing spoons and just toss it like a salad. Oh yes, we want everything to be coated in powdered sugar. Ooh, look how festive that looks. Oh yes, this is exactly what we wanted. Now the thing is, if you were to do this right on the sheet pan, all that excess chocolate that's just hanging around would ruin this effect. All right, this is nice and well mixed. I'm so excited. Now we're gonna add a little bit of extra things to our Muddy Buddies. We're gonna do some milk chocolate Christmas M&Ms because this is a holiday dessert. And we're just gonna put it right there. Beautiful. You don't need the whole bag. About half the bag should be enough. And then, because this has that peanut butter, we are gonna add our Reese's Minis. And we're gonna put these right here. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. Oh yeah, the ultimate no-bake holiday dessert. Let's go back in and toss this to get those M&Ms and those Reese's well combined with everything. Oh yeah, this is ready. Let's go ahead and get this ready for a party or a school class, whatever. We're just gonna get a nice scoop of this and put it right into our little bowls. We could probably fit 2 scoops in each because that's how much you're gonna wanna eat of this. It is so delicious, so sweet. I know it seems like a lot of powdered sugar, but trust me, it is perfect. It is time to try our Muddy Buddies, Puppy Chow, whatever you guys call it. Okay. Oh my gosh. That is addicting. You just gotta try it.